Let me show you a quick demo of how you can use ToughTongue AI inside Claude. So step one is that you have to go and connect using the connector system. So in the settings, you have to go to connectors and add a custom connector. So go to custom connector. You have to find our MCP URL, which is here, and go back, give it a name. So I'll say ToughTongue AI, of that typo, put the MCP and nothing else is required here. Once you hit it, you have to grant the access for Claude to use an API key from our website, from ToughTongue AI, in order to make any changes. So once you do that, it is connected. Now here we could allow all, which is what the permission that I want. It's good for now, so I can close it. So in order to try, let's go to light stuff. We can use role play difficult conversation I need to prepare for. And in doing so, we can say that I use ToughTongue AI. Let's say it's a salary negotiation, tough, skeptical. Claude here will be doing a lot of research behind the scene, figuring out all the context. Now, let's say you have your Salesforce CRM, or if you have another connectors, for example, Slack, Gmail, you can also use those, right? It can take data from your Gmail, maybe tomorrow is your next interview or a discussion with your manager. So those contexts can also be used by Claude in creating this scenario. So it's still gathering these data points here. I got our hint that it should be using ToughTongue AI. So it now is finding tools. It found some tools for us from the MCP server. So you'll be seeing that it will be creating a scenario on ToughTongue AI. So it has started creating a scenario. For some of the things, it will ask for permission. For example, if it creates private scenario, it can use scenario access token, which is the best practice way of doing it, which is it's following. That's pretty good. So it has created a scenario which is about a Jordan skeptical recruiter. We just have to navigate to the link here. And I need to say grant permission, hello, go here and start.
Hello, thank you for taking the call. To make this practice as useful as possible, could you tell me what role you are negotiating for and the offer range currently on the table? Or I can use a generic mid-level tech offer.
So I'm recruiting for a PM6 role in Google, and I am looking for offer range around 250 to 350 sort and equity aside. So I'll just pause it. But yeah, this was a demo of how you can do. And so the great thing here is that Claude already has all of these connectors with access to email, Slack, and other tools that you can add. So you can mix match these tools to create really nice and interesting scenario. So let's say you're a professor, you can connect Canvas tool, your coursework, to create a specific scenario for your students. If you are prepared in sales, you can use Salesforce and other CRM data to create interesting practice scenarios. Try it out and let us know how it works for you. Thank you so much.